Hey guys, this is Tom with the Traders Guild. Another video coming at you. Um, be sure to like our videos, hit the subscribe button, and that notification bell below. That would really help us out as we are launching our new community. So I wanted to talk a couple of things in this video, specifically regarding what I call the Robinhood traders. A lot of you guys have been hearing in the news, CNBC, Bloomberg, Forbes even, all these traders who have been just stampeding out to get a Robinhood account and start trading. And I wanted just to talk about a couple of the things that Robinhood traders are up against. And if I can be so bold to say that really, for the most part, I'm sure there's a couple of exceptions, but Robinhood traders are destined for failure. They are literally doing everything wrong. They're going to go about the markets in a way that's going to just take their money. They'll be bitter, they'll be angry, and they'll probably never trade again. So what I have up here is the chart of Hertz HTZ. For those of you guys who've been following the Hertz ticker, Hertz has filed for bankruptcy, and they are now in the middle of bankruptcy proceedings. This news came out probably, I think it was around the beginning of the month. Well, actually, the end of May, I think there were some rumors that they would be declaring bankruptcy, and then in June is where they actually came out and they said that they actually were declaring bankruptcy. So, as we've been trading, markets have been very difficult. Kind of a side note, markets have been extremely hard. Um, Make no mistake, the markets have been as challenging as the markets have probably ever been. And this is stuff that I've heard from seasoned, decades-long traders who've traded for a long time, and they're all saying the same thing. They're saying, be quick, be nimble, be very, very careful. The markets are moving very quickly. There's not a lot of, um, what's the word? Things that worked well in the past do not work uh, at the present moment. So you've got to be able to adapt. And one of the things that this COVID-19 outbreak has kind of created is this big interest in trading. A lot of people are sitting around the house; they're not working. They've got money from the government, and specifically some of the younger folks have just been interested in. Well, I've got nothing else to do. Maybe I'll try crack at trading. Well, they've been going about this, the Robinhood traders. They've been going about it all wrong. So one example is this HTZ chart. So you can see here this big gap down. I believe this was the news that when Hertz came out and said that they were going to finally, begin the formal bankruptcy hearing. Um, and you can see this gap down from 286-ish all the way down to like 43 cents. Little pop up, and then right here, this little consolidation area. Okay, I'll pull this up. Now, right in here, okay, so again, Robinhooders, I don't know if they're directly responsible for this, but they're absolutely tagging along for the ride. So when this was trading around 81 cents, Robinhood was kind of making the headlines because thousands upon thousands of traders in Robinhood had just been going long this stock. And effectively, what you have here is nothing but a classic penny stock play. And this is not designed to be a penny stock video. I'm not trying to be a penny stock hater. All I'm saying is, if you're a new trader and you are thinking that you're going to trade HTZ or some other penny stock and make your family's fortune, it's just not going to happen. So, nonetheless, Robinhooders are going long, buying this rip up. Okay, well, I don't exactly know how many Robinhood traders there are. I'm sure they have all that. That's all proprietary. But basically, for those of you guys who don't know, Robinhood is a trading brokerage or trading platform. I think they actually have their broker is through another party. But it's essentially it's a mobile device platform only, so you don't have access to a desktop computer. It's on your tablet, your iPhone, your iPad, your etc. Where you can place trades. You can buy stocks. You can buy and sell stocks, options. I don't believe you can do futures, if I remember right. I could be mistaken on that. And of course, the big pull-in is that there's no commissions, or so they say. And while Robinhood is technically a commission-free brokerage, for those of you guys who don't know, how they're providing those free trades to you is that when you place your trade, they then take your trade, lump that in with all the other trades, and sell that to the big HFT firms like the Citadel and the other big ones, who essentially are going to front run you on your price. So that's how that works. That's how they're making money. I think a lot of people are, wondering, well, how is it that they can even provide a platform and offer, free trades? That's not possible. Well, it is, because they're selling your trades. That's a different story. Anyhow, so the Robinhooders are all going long HTZ, thinking that, I don't know, that's going to go back up. This is a bankrupt company, a company that has said it is bankrupt. It has filed bankruptcy. It is in bankruptcy proceedings. And they rode this up from 78 cents up to $6, and then wham, all the way back down. And now it's sitting right around $1.47. So just kind of a news to you guys. Some of you guys, a lot of you guys who are newer traders, this is not the kind of ticker that you should be trading when you're first starting out. I'll probably do a second video, or a subsequent video rather, of why trading penny stocks is so dangerous and why trading penny stocks is not the most effective way to start your trading experience. Because these types of stocks, you can see how quickly and fast and furious these down moves can happen. If you are not prepared, which you most likely don't have the abilities, because if you're trading on Robinhood platform, I don't know how you can trade effectively on a phone. I mean, I don't see how that's possible. Maybe you can, but there's just no way you can be as fast as you could on a computer with a keyboard and a mouse and all that good stuff. So if you're long this thing, I'll just pull up, let me go to the 15-minute here. You can see how fast this goes. So it literally went from 83 cents on June 4th, pops up to $4, pulls back, pops up again with a high of $7, and then the next day just came all the way back. Next couple of days, this right here left a lot of the long traders trapped. And so once the stampede to the exits began, they couldn't get out fast enough, which is what caused this. Essentially, it's a classic pump and dump. You see this on a lot of OTC unlisted stocks, with companies that aren't actually real, that are trading via shell companies, or they're just there just to be fodder for sucker traders. So don't be a sucker. Don't trade HTZ or any other ticker like it. There's so many other things to trade. There's so many other products to trade. And when you're first starting out, I know it's going to be tempting. I know you're going to be really thinking like, I can make a lot of money, and I can be profitable, and I can't wait to be profitable, and I can't wait to whether buy a house or buy a car. Those are all valid. Those are all valid questions. Those are all valid desires. But I'm telling you guys, those desires are misplaced. They're misinformed. You don't yet understand, and you don't yet have the tools to be able to be successful. So don't get sucked in to the Robinhood crowd. Don't be a Robinhood trader. Don't fall for it, because you're going to end up losing a lot of money or all of your money. And I'm sure a lot of traders got absolutely destroyed. So that's my quick video. That was HTZ. There are so many other tickers that are very similar, but absolutely avoid all companies that are bankrupt, going bankrupt, about to go bankrupt. Don't trade them. All right, that's a quick video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Feel free to leave your comments below, and I'll see you again.